fighting.
Make your way to that point!
There's people fighting on this one.
There's some crates here.
Yeah, I have a little bit here.
You want DMR?
I can.
Here, take DMR. I'll take the sniper.
Sure, I can leave.
Anyone needs a sniper rifle?
Oh, no scope. Oh, fuck, this one's sick. I'll take this one instead.
LMG here if you want.
I'm not gonna see scope on it.